Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 23rd of January, Wednesday, and today was actually a pretty good lesson, and I wanted to talk about it a little bit. You know, the markets did open a little bit lower, chopped around a little, moved higher, moved lower, and then kind of chopped around a little, and then eventually started to move up. After the markets took this down move, it kind of, looked like it was wanting to start moving up. And, I was a little more aggressive than I should have been. We knew today that, the House was going to make a decision on the debt ceiling. And for the most part, we knew what time it was. Between 12 and 1 was the time that we got. So we knew if it was before 1 o'clock, it was going to be good. And after 1 o'clock, who knows what's going to happen. But, it is uncertainty. So we figured, and that's what all this choppiness was. And then finally the market started to sell, but we did have support under here, which did support it, and I was looking at a long once we got up here. The markets, actually, we got long. The markets came down, came up, and I was looking for the markets to be up here, which it did get up there in the afternoon. You can see, 1/2 here, which is at 305. So the markets did buy up to the area where I thought they were going to, but it did take a while. So me being overly aggressive, we ended up getting out of the market over here, which lost a point. Being 2 contracts, it was 2 points. It's not the worst trade in the world, but there's definitely a lesson to be learned, and that's why I wanted to record this video. That's why I do the recaps, because somebody can get something out of what I do. I can learn from it, which is awesome, but then other people, hopefully, at least that's the theory, can learn from it as well. And I do get some good feedback, so somebody out there is learning something. But that was, me being overly aggressive, and, us knowing that information, that it's going to be a choppy market. It's the market's not going to just run 5 points really quick, because it's probably going to be choppy. Not being overly aggressive, we could have gotten a better entry, and then we would have made some money rather than losing a couple points. And losing a couple points is a lot better than losing a couple times 3 points. But losing 2 points is worse than making 1 point. And that's kind of the way I look at it. Whenever in the trading business, you're going to lose money every now and then. It's going to happen. It's inevitable. And the real question is, are you going to learn from it, or are you not going to learn from it and just let it happen again and again? One of the reasons why I don't lose a lot, I have mostly winning days, is because I can learn from days like this. Now, if you learn from days like this, does that mean you're never going to repeat them again? Most likely not. If you're making trades every day, you're going to most likely make some mistakes. It's inevitable. And, but you can learn from it, and you can protect yourself a little bit better. And, you become a better person and a better trader. I think everything in life is, should be balanced. Everything in life does correlate to each other. Being a good trader does, correlate to how you act when you're not trading. When you're at a dinner party, or at a concert, or helping an elderly person cross the street. Whatever it might be. It does. If you can learn from your mistakes, you're going to be a better person. So, that's my theory on that anyway. But, hopefully you got something out of this rant today. I definitely learned a little bit. So, if you want to leave any comments below the video, of course, you can go to Facebook and ask questions there. Most people prefer to email me, and that's cool too. However you want to ask questions, that's fine with me. It doesn't matter how many comments I get, or that doesn't matter. Most people like to email me, and that's cool. I'm fine with that. Email goes to my computer, my phone. So for the most part, I'm able to answer email in a timely basis. I do get behind from time to time, but that's because I want to read them all and reply to them. I think it's really fun. I think it's cool, and I learn something from everybody. So it's definitely pretty awesome. So with that, thanks a lot for watching the video. I really appreciate all the support. Totally awesome. Have an awesome night, and I'll see you back here tomorrow in the markets. Thank you.